screen visible to you? I'm just trying to share my screen. People are slowly coming in also. So we will brush up. Is my screen visible? Can someone tell me?
Yes,
sir.
Yes. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Now, look at here. I think one of the participants was continuously telling me that it is not visible. So I have made it bigger. I have made it bigger so that it is visible to you all. It's visible to you all. So now look at here. I'm going to create file, new one. Go to file, new. See, look at here. Go to file, new. And I told you the size of, now somebody can tell me what is the size of passport photo? What is the size of the passport photo?
6 into 4.
3.5 and
Yeah,
2.5.
3.5 centimeter.
Yes,
not
sir,
inches. Not inches.
Centimeter.
And the height is 4.5, right? And the resolution should be 300. Okay, this is what photo should be according to the standards. Now I click. Now this should be for one photo, right? This size should be for one photo. Now what do? I need a quote. I need a face, human face, right? I go to Google and get quote. First of all, I want to get a quote. Passport quote. Passport size quote or passport quote. See here, I've got so many quotes available. I like whatever quote that is like for you, you can choose. I just choose this one. This I choose this one. Right click. You can copy or you just save image. Click save image. I have pressed save image and I've kept it in the desktop. This process, I'm just bringing it into this file. So how should I bring it into this file? Go to file, open, and from the desktop, you just bring in. See, I'm in the desktop. I'm bringing it. See, this is a separate file. Now, what do? I have to take this file. See, this file is not movable. See, even when I move this file, I get that background also. So what should I do? See, look at here. I'm going to tell you another tool called Quick Selection Tool. Please listen. I'm going to demonstrate you a new tool. Look at here. The next tool to Lazo. Okay, next tool to Lazo. There are two tools are there. Now, one tool is to select the magic wand tool. Please make note of it. The magic wand tool is to select the single color, any single color. For example, I just click here and click. See here, all the single colors are chosen. All the dark colors are chosen together. Okay, within one click. For example, if the background is in plain color, when you click, within one click, you will be able to remove that portion. For example, I just click here, see, all that, that dots, all those dots are selected now. I can do anything that I want with that, right? So, again, see here, there's another tool called Magic Wand tool. There's another tool called Magic Wand tool. So, look at here. When you click and drag, you will have that quick selection tool. See, first that the tool that we have seen is Magic Wand first. So that will select you with a single color or plain color or same color, right? And the next tool is Quick Selection tool. Look at here. I just click once and it goes on, selects the other portion. Look at here. See, click. You will be able to select everything. Just delete it. Now I got the other portion got deleted. Once again, I shall do that for you. See here. Press once to start from the beginning. I just select that tool. See here, it is there. Fourth tool. Take Quick Selection tool. I am clicking once. Clicking again. Always press Shift key to expand your selection. See, to expand your selection, always press Shift key. See, I've selected. Okay, now I press delete. I'm able to delete it, right? Sometimes it may not be perfect. Sometimes it may not be perfect. So what do? If you want to be really perfect, you go with always the older tools that we have seen. What is the older tool that will be fitting? Can anyone tell me?
Lazo.
Lazo or polygonal lazo? Polygonal lazo will be better tool. Polygonal lazo. So I'm just cropping using the polygonal laser tool. Take time. As I told you, you need to take enough time to crop it properly. Now see, I have chosen this portion. See, the area is selected. I delete. Now that portion is removed. Okay. Now I expand this quote. This quote has to be expanded. I keep it in a corner. Control T and take it up. So the quote is taken on the top. Okay. Double click and it is ready. The quote is ready. Right. Now I like to find a person to fit in here. Right. Before we go for finding a person to fit in here, how to set a background? Shall we see how to set a background? I'm clarifying for madam. Yeah, yes, please.
So can you repeat this magic tool process again, sir?
Yeah, I will do that. I will do that. Look at here. The process of magic tool. See, I will tell you the plain process of magic tool wand and the quick selection tool. I just open another tool. 1 minute. Before I move on for the next one, I just go with another. For example, right. Apple. I want to choose an apple. For example, black apple. Look at here. I've chosen this picture. Right click, copy, and I'm pasting it here. Oh, it is big image. That's why see here it is big image. And the whole image is with black, so I delete it. I go again. I search for another one. So shall I choose this one? Yeah, this is better. I just select copy, go to Photoshop and paste it. See, I'm able to get this. Okay, I'm able to get this apple. Now what do? This has a square. Now what are the two colors that you find? Please let me know. What are the two colors that you find in this picture?
Black and
white.
Black and white, yes. Now use this magic wand tool to select a single color, either to white color or black color. When I click here, what color will be selected? The black will be selected. See, all the black will be selected. No need of cropping. Do you understand that? Understand the the purpose of this tool? Now
yes,
again I'm going. When I click here, what will happen? I'm selecting the white color. See, when I click here, I'm selecting the black color. When I click here, I'm selecting white color. So similar color will be chosen using magic wand tool. Okay, am I clear? Okay, right. See, what is the purpose? When I delete it, see, I'm able to get that apple alone. Am I clear to you? See, I'm able to get apple alone, not the white background. Previously, the white background was there. See here, white background was there. What I have done, I selected this tool. Look at here, I selected this magic wand tool. Click the white portion. So all that in white color is selected. When I delete, that is removed. Am I clear? Right. Now, if I want to choose black color, what should I do? I just click on black. When I delete it, the black color is deleted. Okay. So it is not to delete. Just to see, please have your understanding that magic wand tool selects single color or plain color or similar color. Have you understood? Have you understood, dear friends? Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Now what do? See, I am going to explain you the quick selection tool. See, quick selection tool will help you to choose. See, the quote is the quote that I have with me here. It is not a single color. I want to select the entire portion of the quote. See, I use the quick selection tool. Look at here. I just click once. See, when I click here, I expand. Automatically, the portion is, see here, automatically it selects the quote. See, it selects the entire portion. That shouldn't be. So before I select it, I just right click, choose this one. See, I'm choosing the quote right now. I go to quick selection tool, click here. See, by default, see, I'm able to select the quote. But unfortunately, see here, it expands with a space. If it is almost similar color, then it will be easy for us to choose. See here, see, I'm able to choose. So this quick selection tool will be useful to take more or less same color, not the similar color completely. For example, earlier it was completely white color or completely black color or completely single color. But right now we have texture, similar type of texture can be chosen with quick selection tool. Okay, in order to select the area. I suppose you are very clear, and please experiment. When you do this for 2-3 times, you will understand better. Now I just delete this apple also. How should I delete this apple? I have to choose this and come here. Either I can delete this or hide this. So I'm going to delete it. So two process, select it and press delete key. Or you have delete option here at the bottom. Bottom of the tool, you have delete option, right? Okay, right now I'm going to choose a picture of somebody. Maybe whom do you want? Quickly tell me, any actor, any suggestion? Actor or
Nagarjuna, sir.
Nagarjuna. Who is that? Nagarjuna. I don't know. Okay. Probably I'm okay. He's the one. Yeah, I know him. Yes, okay. Try which one to choose. See, I should have a straight face. Shall I choose this one?
Yes,
I copy, but cutting the cropping work is more here. See, it is bigger, quite bigger image. So due to want of time, I'm not going to crop it properly because it takes time. It is only what I'm just recapping what I have given yesterday. See here, I'm just cropping. See, whenever you crop, you have to keep it, in zoom up. You have to keep the picture zoomed. See, if you have wrongly chosen, what should you do? You have to choose delete option. I have chosen. Yeah, I have completed. I'm sorry. I have completed. Copy. I have copied. But now I am hiding the old picture. See, I am hiding the old picture. I am getting the new one. Okay. Just expand it. Control T. Control T. I am expanding. Control T. Right. Now look at here. The quote has to come up. What should you do? The quote has to come up. What should you do? The quote has to come up. What should you do? Right click. Select layer.
So with layer we will go to the arrange.
Yeah, very good, madam. Excellent, madam. Layer, arrange, and bring to front. The shortcut key is Control Shift, close square bracket. Right? So now I have fit him, but now I have to adjust the quote. I have to adjust the quote. Now look at there. This quote doesn't suit him, but anyhow we will make him suit to the quote. Okay, we have connected. Right now it is the cropping is not that good, so I use smudge tool. See, you can do it later. The smudge tool I am going to teach you later for some other purpose, but I am trying to just match it with the smudge tool. Just some smoothing this part. Okay, smoothing this part. You have to carefully do it. So I have smoothened. Right now.
Base size now, sir.
Yeah. I have to do that because it looks bigger. But what I can do? See, I can expand this quote and this. See, quote and the face both together. 1 minute. Right click and choose. Now I have chosen layer and the quote as well. See, it has become one. Now what should I do? I can either expand this. Then it is perfect. Okay. The passport size is taken. Okay. Now just do it because it is not proper. It is not properly cut. Right? Okay. Now what do? I just see, I'm going to define this. I'm going to define this as a pattern. Now before we go design as a pattern, I'm going to give as a background color. I'm going to give background color. Now before I give background color, what should be chosen? The background supposed to be chosen. Look at here. The background. I just click on it or right click and choose the background. I have chosen the background. I'm going to give a single color. How do I give a single color? Go here. See, look at here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There is a tool called paint bucket. There is a tool called paint bucket. Look at here under eraser. This tool is called eraser. When you keep there, it will give you name. When I click here, I just drag it. You will have two tools. One tool is called gradient tool. Another tool is called paint bucket. So I'm just using paint bucket. I click paint bucket. Now I want to have blue color. The passport size usually have this blue color background. No, I just choose blue color. When I click here, the blue color appears here. See, when I choose blue color, the cropping it is shown that it is not proper. The cropping that I've done is not proper. You should take much time. It is not perfectly cropped. Okay. Now once again I shall tell you how to give background to a color. select the background and choose this paint bucket tool and click once. That's all. You can bring any color here. Right. Okay, I've set the color. Now what should I do? How should I define the background? Go to edit and come down in edit, define pattern. Look at the menu. Look at the menu. Just note it down as define pattern. I just click on define pattern. Now Nagarjuna is defined. Naga Arjuna. Arjuna. Okay, it is defined. Now what do? I have defined. Go to file. Now I have to, what is the basic file that has to be printed, that should be used for printing? What is the basic file that should be used for printing? Basic file size for printing, photo lab. What is the size?
6 into 4, sir.
Yeah, 6 into 4 massive size. Yeah.
8 by 10.
6, yeah, 8 by 10 also can be there according to your need. I just
8
go for
by
6 into 4.
8 by
6 into,
12.
yeah, 6 into 4. Now what do? I'm going to bring this picture here. I'm going to bring this picture here. Now what should I do? I have to go to, see, take the paint bucket tool. Please understand, all of you. Go to the paint bucket tool and go here on the top, just below edit or image, select the pattern. Select pattern option. And from there, see here nearby, you have different types of pattern available. Click on it and click once. See, I got it. I got all the pictures. Right now, what should I do? I think one of you are with the mic. Please switch off. Extra portion has to be removed. See, I can cut it off. Select that portion with this tool, crop tool or marquee tool, rectangular marquee tool, and select, delete it. This side also you can delete it. Okay, that's all. See, other things you can do it. Don't expand it to fully. This is the actually original size. When you are asked, no, you can cut this and you can cut this and give it. This is exact passport size you will have. So for 6 into 8, you will get 8 photos with just 7 rupees. Okay, have you understood? Have you understood? Now saving the file, go to file, use save as. Please make note of it. Use save as and click here. You will have the option JPEJ. Select JPEJ for giving it to press or the lab people. JPEG. Click that. Okay. When I click here, that photograph will be saved. For example, photo. I click here. That's all. It is selected. Just have highest maximum quality. Just press OK. That's all. I have this file saved into my desktop. Look at here. It is saved into my desktop. See, I'm just opening from the desktop. The file is saved. Okay. Look at there, the file that we have given for printing or designed exclusively for printing. 1 minute, it takes long time. Look at here. The picture is getting delayed for long time. Yeah, it's creating. You don't use this. I'm just open to show you this. Okay, that's all. So we have created a file to be printed. Okay, am I clear, madam? The madam who asked for the clarification. Am I clear? Have I made you clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you. So shall we move for the, anybody has any other clarification? So I think I have covered what I did yesterday. Now, yeah, yes, madam. Shall we move ahead, everyone? Okay, fine. Yeah, thank you. Now, today I'm going to teach you how to fix up a background. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. I'm going to tell you how to fix up a background. Right. I'm taking a new file, as usually 8 into 6 file, 8-inch width and 6-inch height and 300 resolution. Okay. Now I have got this file. Now, how to fill the background? How to fill the background color with color? Now, look at here at the bottom. Come down to in the tool palette. See, you've got 2 squares with colors. The first square symbolizes for foreground color. Giving the foreground. And this one is background color. When you delete, no, that background color will come. For example, right now, look at here. I just fill with blue color. Look at here. I just click here and fill. See, I get, sorry. Why I got this one instead of blue color? Why I got this one instead of blue color when I click paint bucket? See?
Because pattern is
yes, pattern.
Already.
Yes, pattern is selected. Look at here. See here, you will have to change foreground and click here. See now, right now I'm able to get blue color background. Right now I want to change the color of the background. How should I change? Click here. Click on that square. You will get a color palette. From there you can pick up a color. See here, I can pick up thousands of colors. See, mild colors, gray color. If you want to change it, see, you can move the knob up and down. Am I clear? See, I can choose pink color. See, I have chosen pink color. Now, after selecting pink color, right, see, pink color is chosen. So I want to go for some other color. See here, green color is chosen. And in green color, there are so many. See, you can move. Here also, there is a knob. You can move up and down. See, are you able to see the changes? And here also, there is a knob to select the color. See, cream color I have chosen. And click here, pista color. Okay. So this is how I give a single color. Now with regard to background, look at there. What is the background color? When I just delete this portion, look at here. What will come? See, white color comes. Why? Because the background is white here. Look at there. The background is white. Okay. Now have you understood how to give colors? Single color. Have you understood how to give single color?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Very good. Now I'm going to give you. I'm going to expose you with the giving patterned background. Pattern background. Instead of single color, I want to go for pattern. Now look at there. I just select this paint bucket.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes,
Excuse
madam.
me, sir.
Yes,
How
yes.
to remove this white portion? Last action, for last action, how
This one,
to
madam?
remove this white portion?
White portion you want to remove.
How to remove?
Here there is no white portion, no, madam. Only green color I have given. No?
Earlier it was, no?
Oh, okay. See, you have to choose color, madam. First of all, you choose this color and go to this paint bucket and click here. You will get any color that you want. See, I just click on here. I choose any color. For example, I choose maybe blue color. See, I have chosen blue color. Click OK and click here. See, blue color comes. Okay, madam. It
Okay,
was
sir.
previously, look at here. It was previously white color, madam. So now I choose any color. Accordingly, it comes. For example, I have chosen this green color, peacock green. See, that color I get. So white goes off. Am I clear, madam?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Right now, instead of single background color, I'm going to give you an exposure of connecting to a pattern, setting a pattern at the background. See, you will have to choose this paint bucket only, but go on the top and choose pattern. Choose pattern. I click there and choose. See here, there are so many models are available. So shall I go with this pattern? I click here and click see patterned background. Am I clear? Right now I don't like this color, so I just press Ctrl Z. So what is the shortcut key for redoing in Photoshop? Can I have your answers? What is the shortcut for redoing?
Control R, sir. Control R.
Control Z only, but only once it works.
Control Shift is it.
Ah, very good, excellent. Control Shift Z, continuous undoing. Okay, Control Shift Z, right. Now look at there once again. I just select this tool called the paint bucket. Go on the top, choose pattern, click here and choose any background that you want, any pattern that you want. See here, I've got this background. See, I've got this as a background. This is an image. I've got this as a background. Right now I don't want this. I want to go for some other. I press Ctrl Z. Right. You are bored up with this pattern. See, no pattern is very good. So I want to have my own pattern. Shall we have our own pattern as a background? Yes. I'll show you how to do that. Go to Google and type pattern background. Pattern background. HD. HD means high definition. HD means high definition. Okay. Which one do you like? This one or this one? Which one do you like? Maybe anything. For example, shall I choose this one? Shall I choose this one? I just click on it. I click on this, right click and save this. Save it. Save it. Pattern 1. Pattern. So I have saved it and go to Photoshop. Open that file. Where is it? See here. I'm opening that file. Keep it here. Go to edit. Please carefully note it. Go to edit. Come down and use define pattern. Use define pattern. Click on it. Click define pattern and press OK. Close this file. Now go back to the older file. Okay, white color background. Now see, choose the paint bucket. Choose the paint bucket and choose on the top pattern instead of foreground pattern. See, if it's single color, foreground. See this color. Whatever the color that is appearing in the front tool is there. And if you want to go for pattern, click here and click here and choose the pattern that you have selected. See, I have chosen this pattern. When I click here, see, I got this pattern as the background. Am I clear? Very plain color, no? Plain color. See, background, pattern background. Shall we go for some other one more example? I just show you one more example. Go to Google.
So I don't have the option of brush, paint brush, bucket.
Madam, look at here, madam. Look at here. Just look at. Do you have this tool? Gradient tool. Under eraser, do you have that? Just below eraser, madam. Below eraser. Madam, do you see this tool? Madam, do you see this tool?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Just drag it. You will have this tool. Drag it.
Oh, drag it. Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Are you able to get it? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Right now, I'm going to go for a plain background. Maybe a pattern. Green color pattern background. Green color pattern background. Look at there. So you will have so many textures available. Whichever you like, you can bring it as a pattern. Okay. Which one you like? Maybe beginning. Shall we choose this one? This one. I shall choose this one. So right click. Save it. I have saved it in my desktop as number 2. Number 2. I go back to Photoshop. I click open and I choose that file. Define the pattern. Go to edit. If you want to have entire portion, you can make it as a entire file as a pattern. I want to have only particular portion as pattern. Look at here. Only this portion.
Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir.
Yes, madam.
How we will go back with the plain pattern? If I choose any design pattern,
Yeah.
again, how we will go back for the plain pattern?
Control
Plain
is set.
background.
Control is set. Control shift is set, madam. Control shift is set. Please note down.
Control Shift
Is that?
Z.
Yeah.
It's not working, sir.
Press together, madam. Control shift together.
Yes, sir. Together, Control Shift Z.
It works, madam. It works. It
No,
works.
sir.
Then you may malfunction, madam. I will explain you maybe later. Yeah, you can share your screen. I will explain. Don't worry. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Right
Excuse
now,
me, sir?
yes, madam.
So after taking this pattern from Google, then we are saving it.
Yeah. I'm saving it. I opened the file in Photoshop. See, I opened the file.
Okay, sir.
Minute.
Okay.
I'll show you that. I just
Yeah,
open.
please,
Go
sir.
to file. Open it, and get that pattern file. See, earlier I was using edit pattern directly. So entire background is chosen. Right now I want this only. Sorry, I'm sorry. Right now only this particular portion only I want to choose. So I just drag using what tool? What is the tool that I have chosen? Somebody can tell me what is the tool that I have chosen?
Rectangular.
Rectangular marquee tool. Yeah, I have chosen it. Go to edit and define pattern. See, I have chosen a particular portion alone. So I have chosen. Now I just name it as green. Okay. Oh, okay. Now it's over. Now I close this file. Now I go back to the older file that we had. So what should I do? I have to choose the paint bucket tool. On the top, you choose the pattern. Then select here which pattern you want to go. I just select pattern and click here. See, patterned background. So it doesn't look good, but still the picture is more because this area that we have selected is more. So we have got that pattern as the background. Now I'm going to tell you even a floral background can be brought. Floral. For example, floral pattern. Floral pattern. I click on that. Okay, please note it down. See here, I got this rose. I right click, save image, and put it as third or rose, whatever it may be. Save it. Take your file, Photoshop, open that. What is the name that I give? 3, no? Yeah. I open this. Now tell me the procedure. Somebody can tell me the procedure. What should I do to select the pattern?
Edit,
Edit.
define pattern.
Define pattern. Yes, the pattern is defined. Now close this file. Go back. Pattern. Select the pattern and click here. See, I've got this background. Am I clear? The entire whatever file that you have chosen. Even yeah, please tell me.
Sir, for the rose thing, why don't we get it as 2 parts, sir?
Madam, I couldn't get you. Why do we get 2
Parts. It was like 2 parts, sir.
Because the size of rows is calculated, size of the rows, and it tried to arrange it in a tiled manner. Okay, arrange it in a tiled manner. Now I'm going to give you another example. See, right now you know how to set up the pattern. Yes,
Yes.
or no? Yes.
Yes.
To avoid this square shape coming in into the background, we have to fit our own background. I'm going to tell you that. Before that, I want to tell you, now I have to choose maybe Abdul Kalam. For example, look at here, Abdul Kalam. Abdul Kalam. I want to print Abdul Kalam's face as the pattern. Look at their drawing. I want to have drawing image. Shall we choose this one, or which one is like this one?
Yes.
Shall we go for this?
Yes.
I just click, right click, save image, ABJ, open that file, open, choose that APJ file. Okay, it should be smaller. See, the size is bigger, no? So when I drop it there, it will be appearing as a big image. So you have to reduce the size. How should you reduce the size? Go to image, please make note of it. If you have a file already done, I want to still reduce the page. Go to image and come down. See, image size. The menu there on the top, image size. Please write it down.
Yes.
Write it down. Image and image size. Always you write this and in a notebook so that you can refer it later. I just go. Now look at here. What is the size of the inch? Actually, the file that we have is what? The file that we are going to fix, what is the size?
8 into 6.
8 into 6. But now this file, more than that file. More than that file. Yes or no? So I have to reduce that. I have to reduce it. For example, I just reduce it as 2 inch. Press OK. Now it becomes very small. Now what do? I go, edit, define pattern. The pattern is defined. Now get back to your file. See, this is the file. This is the file. Now I have selected pattern and choose Abdul Kalam and click here. See, entire background becomes Abdul Kalam.
Yes.
See, you can print here. You can print invitation over it. See, now it is darker, no? It looks very darker. When you have pictures, no, sorry, text, it may not be that good. So what should I do? I have to just reduce the opacity. I'm going to reduce the opacity. How do I reduce the opacity? Opacity means that the look and feel, or the thickness, or the color strength. I'm going to reduce the color strength. Look at there. Look at in the layer palette. Opacity, not capacity, it is opacity. I just click on that corner arrow mark, and there is a knob comes, reduce the knob. See here? See? Very light color. It has become very light color. Now, yes, please.
So when you reduce the opacity, why is it becoming checked?
No, don't worry. When you save as a JPG, because it loses the original color. It loses the original color because we have done it in the background, no? Background is, what is the color background? What is the color?
White.
What is the background color?
White.
White. So I have applied pattern. When I reduce white, what will come? The colorless. The colorless is called transparency. The transparency means here in Photoshop dot. Okay, pixels. All these are pixels. Okay, smaller dots that you see, all pixels. So you will see empty background. But now, when I make this as a JPG file, then it will look better. Look at here. I go to File, Save As. Please carefully note it. Save As, JPG. This is Abdul Kalam, ABJ background. See, I just look at there. I just open that file. I'll just show you. Look at here. I'm just opening the file with some other tool. It is getting ready. Wait. It will come.
Okay.
Yeah. Look at there. Look at that picture. See here. Are you able to see that?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
See here. Very. See here. See, it should be light. Only then, when you write something, no, some text or something, invitation with maybe for Abdul Kalam's birthday, you can print it like this, no? See, look at here, full of Abdul Kalam only.
Yes.
Am I clear? Yes? Okay,
Yeah.
fine. Fine. Now I'm going to give you another trick on this, right? Now I just go back. Now I want it to be in a shape. In that shape, I want to fill it. For example, I draw India map. Imagine India map. I want to fill India fully within India map. I want to fill Abdul Kalam. See, I'm just trying to. It is not India map. I'm sorry. I may not be perfect, but I'm not perfect. I'm sorry. Okay. See, this is not perfect image. Now I fill it. Look at here. See, only within India I get this. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
So within a defined shape also I can get within a circle. See, for example, I want to have within a circle. So I just choose a circle, and in that circle I can bring the same. See, am I clear?
Yes,
So
sir.
within any shape or within anything you can bring it. For example, I just bring Indian map. So I should not give too much stuff because you should not be confused. India map. There's a spelling mistake, no? Vector images. Just choose for vector images. You will have perfect image. Now I just choose a single color. Please, I'm sorry, the color is black. Don't tell me that I'm not coloring India. Okay. People should not find fault. I just copy. Just take it. Look at there. Okay. I have taken it. Right now, tell me what is the shortcut key for choosing all this color? All black color. What is the shortcut key?
Quick selection.
Yeah, quick selection or magic wand. Click once, see all the black colors are selected. That's all. Now what do? I just go to paint bucket and select Abdul Kalam pattern. Click here, see, full of Abdul Kalam. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Got it?
Got it,
Are you all?
Sir,
interested?
I have taken a rectangle shape
Yeah.
and
Yeah,
then
yeah.
choose the Abdul Kalam photo. So the shape layer must be resized before proceeding. It will come. It will no longer have a vector mask.
Yeah.
Resizing the shape.
Madam, why should you resize the shape, madam? You have already chosen, no? You have already chosen a person, no?
Sister, sir, I have taken a rectangle shape
Okay.
and go to the pattern
Okay.
and take Abdul Kalam spec.
Okay.
And when I will take and then this shape layer must be resized before proceeding. It will come.
Why should you resize? I'm asking, why should you resize?
I don't know, sir.
No, I'm asking why do you resize? See, for example,
I'm taking in the shape, na sir.
see, for example, madam, I think I don't know whether I am getting you properly or not. See, for example, you are telling, see, I have chosen this, okay, rectangular. Yes
Yeah.
or no? Yes.
Yes.
Now, see, I click here and just, that's all.
But it is not coming, sir.
Have you chosen on the top? Have you chosen the pattern on the top?
Yeah.
Then this.
First, I have chosen the shape.
Okay.
Then go to the this paint bucket tool
Okay.
and then pattern.
Yeah.
Then take
Click here.
Abdul.
Yeah. Click here. It doesn't come.
No. This
Madam,
again, the shape layer must be resized before proceeding.
No, madam. No, madam. See, I have not resized. No, why do you resize? I don't know why you are asking about resizing. I have not resized. No, look at there.
It will come like this, sir.
Oh, you are talking about resizing the image first before defining the pattern.
Yeah.
Then, madam, make it smaller, madam. Make it smaller. See, for example, I opened that Abdul Kalam picture. No, so look at here. This picture looks bigger. So make it smaller before you make it as a pattern. Am I clear, madam? So
Okay,
that
okay.
you will have tiled backgrounds. Yes, madam?
Okay.
Yeah. For that, see, you have to make, how to resize it. Go to image, come
Yeah.
down, image size is here. Click here.
Resize and reduce the.
Reduce it, madam. Reduce it. You'll be able to make it as a small tiled one. Okay, madam? Yeah, yeah. Now look at here, dear professors. Now so far we have fixed backgrounds for plain background, patterned background, and on a defined shape also we bring pattern background. 1 minute I am bringing again India map concept. See, look at here, for example. See, I take any picture of India map or Tamil Nadu map or whatever it may be. Look at there. Which one shall we choose? I shall choose the same one. See, I shall choose this one. Right click, copy, come back to Photoshop, paste it, enlarge it. I am enlarging. Okay, right. I want delete this. See, select and delete. Just select and delete. Now to select all similar color, what is the tool? Magic wand tool. Click and all black color is chosen. Now I want to have my own background, my own pattern. See, this pattern can be anything. For example, full of India with farmers. For example, shall we bring farmers full of India? I shall do that. Farmers or field. We can bring field. See, shall I choose this picture or this picture? Maybe this picture. Okay, I choose this picture. Right click. 1 minute. It's getting ready. Yeah. Right click. Save the image. Okay, I saved it. Go on the desktop. File. Open. Where is that farmer's picture? I don't know. Where is it? What is the name of the picture? Yeah, it is there. Open it. The file looks bigger. So what should I do? I have to reduce it. Go to image. Image size. Look at here. Image size. Look at here. Image size. Reduce the size to maybe 2 inch. Make it as 2 inch. See, small size. Now, can I reduce the opacity also so that it fits into the background? Can I reduce the opacity? How should I reduce the opacity? Enable this background and reduce the opacity. See, am I clear? I have reduced the opacity. Go to edit, define pattern. I have defined the pattern. Press OK and close it and go back to the file here. Now I want to bring the pattern here. That farmers. Look at here. Click here and click here and look at here. See, whole of India is full of farmers. Are you able to see that? Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So can you, for example, if somebody you in your college, even human being face, you can bring the picture of these people within human being, within somebody's face or within somebody's figure. For example, whole my picture, you take my photograph, crop it, and fully I want to have farmers in my whole body or picture. I can bring it. So first of all, you define the shape and just click one click, you can bring the background. Okay, right now I suppose all of you try and you will get it. Now before I wind up, I would like to give you another concept because I have given you as an exercise. See, with regard to exercises, I give you enough and more time. Before the course ends, I want you to do it because I know many of your students, many of your teachers, many of your professionals, you have plenty of other works too. Particularly there are a lot of women are here. You work more at home as well. So I will not burden you to do it immediately, but it is better you spend at least half an hour and do it. Just 10 minutes it will take. If you don't do it, no, otherwise we'll forget. So whatever that is demonstrated, it is better to do it that day itself. It is always expected of you. It is my request, but still I give you enough and more time for submission of exercises or assignments until end of the course. I'm not compelling you to do it immediately, but when you do it immediately, we will be evaluating as early as possible because this week we are very busy with meeting, framing the syllabus and so on. So next week onwards, I'll be regularly evaluating. I'll be evaluating. If you are submitting today, I'll be evaluating. I'll give my comments. Okay, right. Now, I'm going to tell you how to set up the background for an invitation. Now, carefully note it. I'm going to tell you the size of the invitation. The size, standard size of the invitation is standard size. There are a lot of sizes available. You can even have your own background. Now I'm going to have my own background. How should I go? Go to file. Sorry, my size, standard size. Go to new. Standard size is 8 inch width. Sorry, 6 inch width and 8 inch height. Please make note of it. The background invitation size 6 into 8, 300 resolution. 6 into 8, 6 inch width, height 8 inch. Okay. See, this is the background. Now, right now, I'm going to get the background from. So far, we have created background using the pattern. Now, I'm going to create a background using the picture itself. So, go to Google and type light background or plain background for invitation. See, plain background for invitation. You get so many types. See here. See, shall we choose this? See, it looks wonderful. See here, plain one. Right click, copy, just copy. Copy, go back to Photoshop and paste it. And use the selection tool, keep it on the top and drag it. Control T and drag for the entire portion. That's all. A plain invitation background is ready. You can type whatever that you want, right? Plain invitation. Shall I show you another model? I go back. Invitation background, light. See here, so many backgrounds are available. Shall we choose this one? It's a purple color. See, there are so many backgrounds available. Whichever that you like very much, you can choose it accordingly. For example, invitation background. Just give invitation background. You will have so many colors. See, this looks better, nice actually. I just click on it. Click here, copy, paste it. And drag it. Go take it on the top, drag it to the entire file. And proportionally, it can be traced. See, if it looks good, then drag it. For example, here I can give the text marriage invitation. You can give the couple name and the dates and so on. Okay. For example, so don't try with. See, my intention is not to give you the text. I will take it some other day. For example, here I just take it as, for example, Mr. Money. I'm just increasing the font size. Please don't do that. I'm not concentrating on the text. I will tell you how to do text and all that. Mr. Money Vets. Mr. Money Vets Jenny, Miss Jenny. Okay. See, I just got bride and bridegroom. It can be little more bigger. Yeah.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, please.
How to drag it?
Which one, madam, you are asking?
Small picture. Na, you have taken the invitation background.
Control T, madam. Control T. Okay. That is start already. Control T. Press Control T, madam. Okay, madam.
Okay.
Yeah. Just wedding ring. See, I can take this wedding ring. Just copy and put it there. See, now I want to delete this. How do I delete this? Single color, magic wand tool. Use magic wand tool. See, all the other portions are deleted. Click once inside. That is also deleted. Click here. That is also deleted. Now make it as a small one. Control T. Use Control T. Yeah, please.
Sir, how to type which you have taken, you have selected rectangular tool, no? You have typed the text.
No, madam, please. I think you are trying to know how to type. No, my intention is not to tell you how to type. I will take gradually. Don't learn everything together because it will be a burden for you. Then you will forget. Right now, I want you to set a background. That's all. I just wanted to tell you. See, this way you can fill the text and have some model. See, this invitation for marriage invitation.
Yes, sir.
Am I clear? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So when you delete that color,
yeah.
You only select that magic wand and then you press enter it.
Yes, madam. That's delete key. Just delete key. Delete key.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you,
See,
sir.
once again.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, madam.
So when
Yes.
you have written the text, I have written a text and I press enter, then that text was final. So if I want to edit that, then it is how to?
No, madam, I'm sorry. I'm not going to tell you because I don't want you to learn text now.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Set the background because gradually we will go. I'm sorry, gradually we'll go. Next day, tomorrow will be the text. I'm going to give you exposure on text. Today, I want you to be sure of patterned background and patterned background for a particular portion of selected area like India or building or a person or something, and setting up background, just background for an invitation, exactly for an invitation. 8 into 6, setting a background. See, for marriage invitation, separate backgrounds. For college invitation, separate background. So like that, you should be able to know what is the fitting background. For example, Teachers Day background. Just give background, invitation background. Click invitation background. You will have wonderful background.
Excuse me, sir.
Background. Yes,
If
madam.
I want to delete the previous invitation design, how will I delete it?
Which one? Control Z, madam. Control Z. You press Control Z. Control Z, it will just move off with the previous actions, madam. Control Shift Z. Control Shift Z. Okay, madam. Okay. I can choose any one of these. See, all these are different invitation styles, backgrounds. So I can choose any one of these. Okay. See, for example, this is fitting invitation for marriages, and the plain background for us, maybe you can take. See, this may be taken for official invitation for maybe college programs and so on. See, for example, I just expand this, keep it on the top, Control T, and expand it fully. It can be brought. See, if you expand a small image, the resolution is not good. So you choose a good, better image. Okay, it is bit fitting. Invitation background HD. See, I just choose this, copy, paste it. Go on the
Excuse
top.
me, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, can we create our own invitation background?
That's what I'm teaching. That's what I'm demonstrating. See, you are talking about your own background. You
Yes,
are
sir.
talking
Without
about you can very well create. See, for example, there are other tools. See, you will be able to make it on your own. The thing is that you will have to borrow some things from internet. Of course, as it is, you can bring it, or you can have colors, or you can have pattern background. If you want to have your own background, what should you do? You have to make a color. See here, they have used pattern only at the back. See, they have used pattern only. I will teach you few other tools. Okay, with that creating background, I will just tell you maybe next class, or maybe in a day or two, or maybe some other day. Don't worry. Right now, I want you to be to remember to have patterned background and to set up your own background from the internet. Okay. Have you all got it for the day? Have you all got it for the day? If you have any clarification, please ask me. I will teach you, or I will demonstrate you with the background to be on your own. I will certainly do that.
Sir,
Yeah.
Sir, go to way of the cross, sir.
and the
Please. Okay. Attendance. Yeah. Today is a Friday. I'm sorry. I will share the attendance. 1 minute. I'm sharing the attendance. 1 minute. I'm sharing the attendance. Today we can call it a day because being Friday, some will go for prayers. What is the date today? 4th day, no?
sir.
5th day. 1 minute. Yeah. Please, 1 minute. 1 minute. I shall just 1 minute. Kindly hold on. 1 minute. I'm sorry. 4th day. Class 4th day, no? Or 5th day.
Inauguration.
1 minute. I'm sharing the attendance. Please fill the attendance and you can leave. Those who would like to have clarification, I will wait here. Don't worry. I'm not going anywhere. I will just make it. Already the morning session video is available. You can see that also. The attendance is given. You can fill attendance. Yeah. Tomorrow we have class as usually. Please do
Sir,
join.
where is the link? Where is the link?
It is there in the Google chat, madam. Chat. Look at the chat box. Now you can clarify your doubts. Those of you who would like to go, you may go. And now you may clarify, please, one by one. Yes, please.
Sir, may I?
Yes,
May I?
madam. Yes, Anu, madam. Yes.
Yes, sir. May I share my screen?
Yes, madam. Yeah. One by one, I shall clarify. No problem. You kindly wait, and I want you to see some exercises are there. Please watch, visit Google Classroom. I have given some exercises. Based on that, whenever you are free, please upload your exercises.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, tell me, madam.
Yes, sir. I have shared my screen.
Yeah.
Are you able to see?
No, madam, I'm not getting anything because is it mobile?
Yeah, sir. How
Mobile
will
for.
I share with the laptop?
Okay, you just show me the. Okay, open the camera and show me, madam.
Wait a minute.
So those of you feel that it is very fast, please, please go make use of the. Yeah, yes, madam.
Yes,
You have
sir.
filled the pattern, no? Yes.
Yeah.
Good, madam.
Now please tell me how to get the plain background.
Control Shift Z. Press Control
not
Shift Z.
working.
Together, madam. You should not press
Yes.
Control, then Shift. No, Z. All together. You want to click together.
Control
Sir, but
Shift Z.
it's not working,
Yes.
sir.
Sir, Control Shift Z.
Yes, yes, yes.
Sir, can I leave, sir? Can I leave?
Sir.
Sir, I'm Bala. Can I leave, sir?
Yeah, please. If you want to
I have
leave, you can
chosen
leave.
this yellow color.
Thank you, sir.
Madam, that one, close that one. Yeah, now you press Control Shift Z. Control Shift Z.
I have chosen this paint bucket tool.
No.
And
Press
click-
Control Shift Z, madam. Control Shift Z.
Yeah, sir. I am pressing.
Sir, but sometimes it's not working, sir.
Really?
Even I.
It's not working, sir.
Yes, sir.
If I take another color, na sir, suppose I have taken this yellow color.
Yeah.
Okay. Then
Yeah.
click on OK. Then
Yeah.
go to and
Go to the
Click
paint bucket
here.
and click on it. Yeah, click on it.
I'm clicking, sir, but it's not. Yes.
Yeah,
Look at here.
Yeah, you got it, no?
No, sir. Pattern is there. It
Madam,
is not
pattern-
plain. It is
see,
not plain.
Madam, see, the thing is that you have already pattern, no? On it only you are filling. So pattern will also be there. If you want to have complete white color, then you will have solid color. Now what do? Select with the, select that. Select that with the Mark You tool, madam. Select that with Mark You tool. Select everything with Mark You tool. Select everything with Mark You tool. I'm sorry, I'm troubling you.
Where's the tool?
Second tool. Or press Control A, madam. Control A. Press Control A.
Control A.
Yeah.
Yes.
Just delete. Just press delete key.
No, sir.
Have you chosen,
I think-
madam? First of all?
Excuse me, sir. I think she has to choose a layer first, now. Then only
Yeah,
it will.
yeah,
It will.
Yeah, please choose the layer, madam. Then, 1 minute, madam. Then you will have to choose, take that, madam, choose that one, madam, that second one. Second
Yes,
one.
sir,
Mark
I
it
have
tool. Mark
Yes.
it tool. Click on that.
Yes.
Click on that. And
Okay.
just click Control A now. Press Control A.
Control A. Yes.
Delete,
Yes,
delete.
it is selected.
Delete now.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, madam. Yeah. Now you fill yellow color, the yellow color will come. Okay, madam.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you. sir.
Anybody else? Thank you. If you want to leave, you can leave. Anybody else?
Yeah, sir, I'm Daphne and I have a clarification about exercise 2 and 3, sir. You just asked me for us.
Yes, tell me, madam.
Sir, I'm a school student, sir.
No problem, ma. No problem, ma. Sometimes everybody is a madam. Yes, tell me. No problem.
So for that, for the exercise 2, should we make background using an image from the internet only?
Yes, yes, ma.
And for exercise 3, we have to do as you did for India and Abdul Kalam. Like we have to take.
Pattern background. Yes, pattern background, ma. Pattern background. Yeah.
Okay. So thank you so much.
Thank you, ma. God bless you. Anybody else? Yes, very good. Wonderful. Who is that?
Anu Goyal.
Yeah, very good, madam. You got it, madam. You joined late, but you are picking up fast. Very good.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Good. This Mr. Mani sir help you, madam? Did he help you?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, because you were telling me that he's not picking up. No, that I
Yes,
told him. Yeah.
no. He helped me.
Thank you. Thank you. Any other clarification or anybody would like to share? I think all are very tired today, being weekend.
Tomorrow is a class. Tomorrow
Tomorrow, same time, madam. Same time.
and day after tomorrow.
Day after tomorrow, you want to have class, madam? Sunday?
No, sir. No.
Then we shall be free, madam. Yeah.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Sir?
Anybody else? Yeah, yes, please. Yes, sir.
I already told you I have not laptop, but I borrowed from my cousin yesterday,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
so I can't go with you, sir.
Okay. So what shall we do, sir? Now propose an idea. Can't you use that laptop, sir, for some time?
Yeah, I can use,
Yeah.
but I can't reach you that faster. I'm from the beginning.
Okay. Now do this, sir. Please make use of the videos. So you can watch it and do it whenever you are free. Are you a student, sir, or working, sir?
I'm a student, sir.
Student.
Yes,
Then when you are free, no, the laptop is going to be with you or not?
yeah, with me.
Yeah. Then you make use of the videos, pa. Make use of the videos and
Okay,
watch that and do it, pa. Do it. Don't give up, yeah. Don't give up, my
Yes,
dear.
Yes, sir.
Don't give up.
I'm coming
See,
with you, but I can't.
I,
Surely,
I, I
reach
do
this.
understand, yeah. I do understand, yeah. There is some difficulty because first time we are doing it. Don't worry,
Yeah.
don't give up. See, here people, 50 plus people are here. 50, sorry, yeah, people with 50 plus age are here and they are doing it. Why not we? They are youngsters. We can do it. Yes, you will do it.
I can, sir,
Yeah.
but I don't know anyone to ask the.
I couldn't get you. You have joined only today, ma.
Not, sir, from beginning.
Okay. Then what is your difficulty, ma? I don't understand. What is your difficulty?
The control keys was not able to do, sir.
Just watch the video, ma. Watch the video. Everything is there. No, you can follow it up. No, later.
Yes,
Excuse
sir.
me.
I can watch today
Yeah.
onwards.
Yeah. Please,
sir.
don't give up. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Of course.
You can
Thank
call
you,
me.
sir.
Rajay. See, you can call me later, or you can call Mr. Money at any time, whenever you
Yes,
have
sir.
any clarification or anything. Okay, feel free. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Thank
Yeah.
you, sir.
Thank you. Yes, madam. Yes, somebody was calling. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Sir, if I want to save this, go to the save as
Yeah.
and
Make it as
suppose
JPJ.
if I give
JPJ.
the APJ,
Yeah.
APJ and G,
JPJ.
green,
Yeah.
and
Yeah.
JPJ image, then
Yeah.
save.
Yeah.
Sir, now
Press
quality
OK.
8.
Okay. Press OK. That's
Okay.
enough. Press OK, madam. That's all.
Okay.
Yeah. It is saved, madam. Just look back to the place where you have saved it. The file will be there. You can
Okay.
print it as you want.
Next.
Yeah. Yes.
Okay, sir.
Anybody else? Any other clarification? I think today people were tired. Anybody else? Shall we call it a day? If you have no clarification, if anyone has done your background, please share it. If you have done your
Sir?
background, yes, ma.
Very sorry to disturb you, sir.
No, not at all, ma. You are welcome.
Sir, actually, no, to save, sir, you told that we can also save it as again to work in the same thing. Photoshop PSDs, no, sir.
Yes, ma.
So, but if I save it, it is telling that not able to open or unable to open this file. Why is it, sir?
Just share your screen, ma. 1 minute. I shall just look at it. Could you please share it? Are you with the system?
Yes, sir.
Please share it, ma.
Sir, I don't know. Actually, I'm not able to share.
See on the below.
Yes, sir, I know. I think my network is not stable, sir. I'll try, sir.
Presentation is there, ma. Presentation is there. Click on that. Just in Google Meet, the presentation is there. No, click on it.
Yes, sir. Yeah, I'll show. Sir, I hope you can see my screen, sir.
Yeah, yes, ma.
So here, it is also saving as a PDF. I don't know why. And it is telling like this. I actually saved it as a PSD, Photoshop.
I'm not getting your screen, ma. 1 minute. I don't get your screen. I don't know. Yeah, now I got it. Yeah.
Yeah. Sir, actually, when I,
Go to Photoshop, ma. There is only.
for example, I didn't do it, sir. I started to do, and then for example, I am going to save.
Ma, I don't see your picture, ma. Only the Google Meet is available to me.
I think I have some network issues, sir.
No, not that, ma. Not that. You have to choose the entire screen. There are 3 options now. When you click present now, you have to choose the entire screen. First one.
I did that. Now able to see, sir.
Yeah, I'm seeing your screen again, but not Photoshop. Yeah, you click Photoshop. Yeah, now okay. I'm seeing. Yeah. Go to file.
Save as.
Yeah.
As Photoshop, I'm saving it.
Okay.
And
Open it. Now, see, you have closed it. No, there itself you cannot open directly because we are using Scratch version. Go to file and open. You will get the same Photoshop version. Yeah. Look at there. Yeah. You will have 1, 2, 3. No, that is Photoshop version only. Yeah. Click there. Open. You will get it. The file will be there. Okay, ma. Because we are using other version, Scratch version, ma. Okay. Yeah. Yes.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, ma. God bless.
What about today's assignment? Sir,
Madam,
what about the today's
you will have
assignment?
to make patterned background, madam. It is there in the Google Classroom. Have you joined the class, madam?
Yes, sir. I have
It
joined.
is there, please look at there, madam. It is there. Yeah.
Okay.
Clearly it is mentioned. Yeah.
So when I bring the image for the pattern, I have to resize it into a small size. Then save it as a pattern.
Yeah.
Okay. Then it comes as many patterns.
Yes, madam. Yes, madam. On clicking with the fill color option.
Okay.
Yeah, George, you want to say something, George? I wanted to listen to you. George.
Sir, I didn't see the video of today in the Google Classroom, sir.
It is there, it is there. Not in Google Classroom, dear. In WhatsApp. Are you there in WhatsApp?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, could you please take it? It is there. It is a morning session is there put up. Same was taught. Same was demonstrated.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, please. Thank you. Any other clarification? Otherwise, shall we call it a day?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, madam. Rajini, madam.
Sir, I have taken a map.
Yeah.
And that one pic I have put it inside that.
Okay.
That is, if I want that particular photo only, then I will choose the photo only that I have to define the pattern to that to bring that in whole map.
Yes, madam. See, first of
After
all,
that, yes, sir.
you choose that pattern. For example, your child photo or somebody, you choose that particular square. Okay, make it as a pattern and choose the area where you want to put it as a pattern background. Choose the area, then click with the paint bucket tool. Then it will be appearing.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Yes.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, madam. Good. Vijay, have you got it, Pa Vijay? Shreyas, have you got it, dear? Is that okay for you today?
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much,
everybody. Thank you. Have a great evening.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
I had a great time today.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, madam.
So one more thing you have explained, like it is blur or something like that. Na? How to do that?
Opacity, madam. Just
okay, sir. Sir. Yeah, that I know. That is in this side.
In the palette layer. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Where, sir? Where the layers are there?
Layer. No, layers are there. No, you choose the layer. On that top of the layer, you have opacity, 100%. You click on it and slowly reduce it. Yeah.
Okay, sir. Yeah.
Yeah.
Got it, sir.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you, madam. Geeta Sri, that boy. What is your name, pa? Have you got it today? Your photo was really wonderful, pa. The small boy making a lot of efforts. Really good. I don't know your name. What's your name?
Sri Krishna, sir.
Sri Krishna, your photo was perfectly fitting. Yeah, very good. Yeah. Today you did something. Did something today?
I'm creating, sir.
Yeah, create and show me today and update me. Yeah, very good. You will become a good designer, man.
Thank
Good.
you, sir.
You put up a shop today, tomorrow itself outside. Passports are printed here. Where are you from?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, man. Where
Sir,
are you from?
I'm opening the Google Classroom in my laptop,
Yeah.
and your this value added course is appearing.
Yeah.
But how will I this assignment? Where is the assignment, sir?
In classroom, madam. You will see in classroom.
It is not opening, sir.
No, it will be there, madam. You just see. I will just open. See, it will be there. Yeah, for everyone, it is there, madam. Look at there. I'll just show you.
Okay.
Google Classroom, no? Go to Google Classroom.
Yeah,
Okay, madam. You know this procedure.
yeah.
You were the participant of the previous workshop, no, madam?
Yeah.
You know well
Yes,
then.
yes, sir. Yes, it is opening. Yes.
Yeah. Opening.
Okay.
See, you should have got like this value added course. Click on it.
Yes.
Click on
Yes.
it. When you click here, you will have classwork. See? Click classwork. And in classwork, you will find, see, regular assignments. Exercise 1, exercise 2, 3. Okay?
Yes.
On
Yes, sir.
clicking it, you will have the details. See? See, first exercise submitted by 49 people.
Suppose if I submit the creating own background,
Yeah.
click here.
And afterwards, you will have to attach, madam.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Nice, good works are, submitted by people. So shall we call it a day? Yes, thank you. Shall we call it a day? Lesia, madam, are you there online? Your photo was also done properly yesterday. Good.
Yes, sir. Yes, I'm online.
Yeah, very good. You have done well.
Thank you, sir. Sir, one more clarification.
Yes, ma'am.
For undoing anything which we have done wrong, we are using Control Z, and if you want to more undo, you said Control Shift Z.
Yes,
but
madam.
it is actually not working. But if I do Control Alt Z, it is working.
Oh, okay. I've just told you wrongly. So see, just unknowingly, see, it's supposed to be Control Shift, Control Alt Z. I'm sorry. So please correct it. Thank you for reminding. Please correct it. It's actually, see, I meant Control Alt Z, but somehow because I was telling you about previous tools, no? Control Shift, square bracket, square. You are right. Anu, madam, please get it from madam. Control Alt Z. Control Alt Z. Thank you for reminding.
Control Alt. Okay.
Yeah. Thank you for reminding, madam. Thank you. Actually, I was doing it, but unknowingly, I was just telling you about the shift. Thank you for reminding. Thank you. That's good.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, madam.
Sorry for troubling you again and again,
No,
sir.
no. Don't feel bad. I'm there to help you.
Sir, I have take a photo of Sai Baba, and that I've put a pattern. Then I've taken a map, and then I just select that pattern. But only in the center that photo is coming. Why not coming so many pics? Some wrong thing I'm doing.
Because the Sai Baba, you selected the big one or small one?
I reduced the size. I did not reduce the size.
That is
I have
why.
taken
That is why. You see, you choose the portion. That would be smaller. That should be smaller. Only then you will get a lot of tiles.
But if I will go for the 2, that I have said in images, I will reduce the size. After that, automatically it will come so many.
Yeah.
Okay.
So, but when you reduce the size, what will be the size? What is the size we should put?
Anything, madam. As you like. For example, see, I told you, I just show you. See, I'm just choosing an Abdul Kalam's picture considerably. Okay. For example, look at here. I'm just going to choose the Kalam's picture, APJ. I choose the picture is bigger, no? I go to image and make it as 2 inch. 2 inch. So it will look considerably small. Okay. So now you make it even. Now, right now, I want only the Abdul Kalam face alone. See, I can choose and make it as only this, not fully. So even within the picture, I can make a particular portion as pattern. Go to edit and define pattern. See, I got it. Now I can make pattern in anything. See here, I'm going to use paint bucket and choose that picture as pattern. Yeah, right click on it. See, I got it. See, click on here. See, use.
Okay.
Why? See here, you got it, no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah. So many faces. So many are here connected. Yeah. Senthil Krishnan sir, can I have you online? How is your experience if you are connected? Josephine madam, are you there connected?
Yes, sir. Sir, I came lost, sir. So I can't catch your class.
Yeah,
sir.
you are. I know you are very busy, madam, but still you are accepting.
After the college, I came only after 5:30.
Your sister is very prompt in submitting the files, and she done a very wonderful job also. Please give her my wishes. Okay.
Sir.
Yeah.
Sir, kindly.
Yes, madam. Tell me, madam. Time. Yeah. Please take your time, madam. Please take your time. Watch the videos and do it on your phone. Yes.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, madam. Please take care. Yeah.
Sir, I have submitted 4 patterns
Yes.
in
Great.
assignment.
Oh, immediately, madam. Very good, madam. Oh my God. You people are very fast, madam. Teachers,
Thank you, sir.
teachers are very much faster than the students. Very good.
Thank you, sir.
Sharmila ma'am, you want to say something?
No, sir. No, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. Kana Krishnan, have you completed your work?
Completing, sir, the last part, sir.
Okay. I'm waiting for your picture, man. I just wanted to see your picture. How have you? Because yesterday it was interesting. Just wanted to see how old are you and what are you studying?
I am 6th standard, sir.
Oh, 6th standard student. Okay, very good.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Senthil Krishnan sir, are you there connected? Senthil Krishnan sir.